A demolition drive is underway in Delhi's Jangpura. Huge police deployment in Madrasi camp area. Riot control teams and RAF have been deployed for security. This demolition drive is a part of drain declogging project. So that's the latest that's coming in from Delhi, where there's a demolition drive that is underway in Delhi's Jangpura. These are the visuals coming in from Jangpura area in Delhi, where this demolition drive is underway. Huge police deployment, as you can see in the visuals. In the Madrasi camp area, riot control teams and RAF have also been deployed for the security. Now, it is pertinent to note that this demolition drive is part of a drain declogging project. And my colleague Shreya is now joining us with more details on this demolition drive that is underway in Jangpura. Shreya, give us the latest details as far as this demolition drive is concerned.
Well, first and foremost, the demolition drive that you see happening right behind me is in Madrasi camp in the Jangpura constituency. Now, this entire demolition is as per the court orders. The reason so, I'll ask my cameraman if he can just pan a little bit left towards him. There is a drain that actually runs via this slum. This is the Barapula drain that you can see. Because of the drain rehabilitation, the declogging of this drain, this slum demolition became a necessity, and that is primarily the reason why you see this demolition being carried out. A total of 370 shanties were present inside this particular slum. However, only 189 of these shanties have actually got a rehabilitated home in the Narela area. A lot of people suggest that there were certain discrepancies that were actually highlighted to not give them homes. There were multiple allegations from people that the surveyor who had come for the survey suggested that because they had not casted their vote for a long time, it does not make it accountable that they actually reside over here. So there were multiple such reasons apparently given to not give the remaining homes rehabilitation, and that's the reason why you see there is an anger also within people, but the demolition still continues. All the entire slum will be demolished by today.
Right, Shreya, thank you for getting us all those details right from the ground on the demolition drive underway in Delhi's Jangpura.